In today's fast-moving world, creating a great course isn't enough. To truly support adult learners, you need a learning ecosystem, a system that evolves, connects, and scales. A learning ecosystem isn't just a series of lessons. It's a dynamic network of tools, people, resources, and experiences that support learning at every stage. And most importantly, it grows with the learner. Let's explore how to create a scalable learning ecosystem that's future-ready and deeply human. First, start with the learner. Who are they? What do they need not just to pass, but to thrive, apply, and grow? A great learning ecosystem is built around the learner's journey, not just the instructor's plan. Think in terms of access, flexibility, and real-world relevance. Second, blend synchronous and asynchronous learning. Live sessions are powerful, but they're limited by time zones, schedules, and energy. Scalable ecosystems combine live experiences with asynchronous tools, on-demand videos, discussion boards, interactive modules, digital workbooks. This gives learners more control and allows your system to serve more people without losing depth. Third, use modular content. Design your content in chunks that can be rearranged, reused, and repurposed. Instead of one long linear course, think in micro-learning units, playlists, or pathways. This makes it easier to personalize learning journeys and update content as needs change. Fourth, build for community, not just consumption. Scalable doesn't mean isolated. Design opportunities for learners to engage with one another through peer feedback, breakout rooms, or learning cohorts. A community-based model strengthens engagement, increases retention, and reduces the need for constant instructor intervention. Fifth, integrate tech wisely. Learning management systems, a mess, communication tools, and automation platforms can help you scale, but only if they're chosen with care. Use tech to simplify, not complicate. Let it serve the strategy, not drive it. Some key components of a tech-powered learning ecosystem include LMS or course platform, e.g. Moodle, Teachable, Talent LMS, communication tools, e.g. Slack, Discord, MS Teams, assessment tools and analytics, integration with digital credentialing platforms. 6. Track and use data. Data shows you where learners are succeeding, where they're stuck, and where to improve. But it's not just about quizzes and completion rates. Look at engagement trends, discussion activity, learner feedback, and self-assessment reflections. Let the data inform your next move. 7th, support multiple learning styles and devices. A scalable ecosystem is accessible to everyone. That means mobile-friendly design, caption videos, downloadable audio and transcripts, clear structure for neurodiverse learners, easy navigation. More formats, more access. 8th, provide pathways and progression. Scalable ecosystems help learners grow over time. Offer next steps, advanced courses, certifications, mentorship, communities of practice. This builds loyalty and helps learners connect short-term wins to long-term transformation. Foster facilitator scalability. As your ecosystem grows, so should your team or your systems. Use discussion prompts, AI tools, and learning assistants to reduce instructor fatigue. Create facilitator guides and onboarding for new team members. The goal is consistency with flexibility. Keep it human. Scalability is not about automation for its own sake. It's about creating systems that honor the learner while allowing your impact to grow. Always come back to this question. How does this decision serve the learner's success, not just my efficiency? A scalable learning ecosystem is like a garden. You don't just plant it and walk away. You design it. You nourish it. You prune and adapt it. And in time, it grows into something much bigger than you. Because the goal isn't just delivering content. It's building a living, evolving system that empowers adult learners to grow independently, together, and at scale.